Hello again. I'm just out here in the woodlot across from my apartment. You know, what's nice about Canada is you don't have to drive 200 miles to see all the beautiful colors. Just cross your street. If you're living near a woodlot or a park, lots of parks around here. Sheridan College, lots of trails, so it makes for, it doesn't have to be like 2 hours, it can be like 20 minutes, and you can enjoy the fresh air and the wonderful, colors. Here, take a look, and that's it. I'll say goodbye. You probably heard enough of me already, but I'm working on it.